As chatbot technology progresses, the responses will become more nuanced, logically sound, and informative. A newer version of the bot, GPT-4, has access to the internet and can extract more relevant data. However, some risks such as privacy concerns and bias remain. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool for self-care and learning, it comes with some risks, including privacy, dependency, and bias in data. The dataset that the bot is trained on is human-generated, which is prone to several biases. Therefore, the type of response provided by ChatGPT may fluctuate based on these biases. Due to its instantaneous response times, personalized information has become extremely accessible. However, this also creates a risk of overdependence on ChatGPT. The need to manually filter through search results and determine the best information is decreasing. In the long run, this may affect critical thinking, social interactions, and technological vulnerability. ChatGPT has been making waves in the tech industry with its impressive abilities. As more AI products enter the market, it is important to be mindful of your privacy and security when using ChatGPT or similar AI products. ChatGPT is a powerful AI product that can assist you in various ways, from generating text to answering complex questions. However, it is crucial to protect yourself when using ChatGPT. Here are 4 things you should keep in mind when chatting with ChatGPT. Do not share your personal data with ChatGPT. OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, collects data to train the AI product. This includes data you input during your conversations with ChatGPT. Therefore, it is crucial not to share personal details during your chat, as ChatGPT's privacy policy is not robust enough to protect your data adequately. Additionally, OpenAI does not offer an option to remove your data. Several countries have investigated ChatGPT over privacy matters, and Samsung learned the hard way about ChatGPT's poor privacy protection after some of its employees shared sensitive information in ChatGPT chats. Do not install untrusted ChatGPT apps. ChatGPT is a sophisticated AI product that can create malware with the right prompts. However, hackers do not need ChatGPT to create and distribute malware. Reports show that there are ChatGPT-based malware attacks in the wild. Unsuspecting users believe they are installing genuine apps and extensions on their computers, but they end up downloading malware-laced fake ChatGPT apps that steal their data. Always double-check the source before downloading and installing any ChatGPT apps. Ask ChatGPT for sources. Even though ChatGPT is an intelligent AI product, it is still unreliable and can make mistakes. Therefore, it is essential to always ask ChatGPT to provide sources for the claims it makes and links to the information. This way, you can verify the accuracy of the information provided. Remember, ChatGPT is not infallible, and it can offer incorrect information. For example, Google Bard had a significant blunder during its launch. OpenAI must address ChatGPT's reliability since some users are considering filing defamation lawsuits against ChatGPT. Do not forget about copyright laws. ChatGPT remembers everything because OpenAI fed it massive amounts of data to train it. This includes material that may be copyright protected. However, ChatGPT cannot distinguish copyrighted material and may generate text from protected works word for word. It is crucial to remember that using the data generated by ChatGPT verbatim is not allowed.